We're on a farm, out in the middle of nowhere. We gotta help this farmer get rid of these rats. Let's go!
Here! Oh! There's a ton of them! They're all over! Good job. God.
This has been a crazy, wild journey with the Mink Man here on the farm. There's so much footage, so in today's video, we're gonna show you all of the amazing highlights and put all that together in one action-packed video. Let's go.
Oh, little black one.
Yeah.
Got it.
I think it's back behind this metal here.
So right underneath all of this, next to these silos here.
Oh, Rex, your water.
Leroy is soaked.
There goes. Good girl. Go in that pipe? Yeah, I think it went in that pipe. Good job. Had a good dog.
Boy. Sucker was in a 4-inch piece of pipe. Yes.
Had a good girl.
Good.
Bendy color him.
Get it.
Good girl, Bendy. Good girl. Yeah, da.
Huh?
He's gonna get one.
Oh.
Yeah, just relax for a second. Good girl. Da. Oh, good girl.
Where'd you go? Come here. You're missing the party.
Good girl.
Come here.
Right there.
Did they?
Yeah.
Get it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Leroy got a rat.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, catch it.
Good job, Chuck.
Out,
Leroy.
Dead.
Leroy.
Dead.
Oh, another one.
Dead.
Flip. Oh, good job. Oh, my. Oh, we got a nest.
Good job, Leroy.
That's a good boy, Leroy. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah, you got one. I think I see a tail, yeah. Let me, let me have him. No, good girl. Let me have him. No, let me have him. Hey, I got it. Good dogs. There you go. Keep digging.
We'll do some flushing, you guys. So much concrete over there where all those burrows were. So what we'll do is we'll just shove the water hose in there and see if we can get a bunch of water in there to kick them out of those burrows. They don't call me a water boy for nothing.
Water boy number 1! You can do it! Good dogs. Good job, Bendy girl.
It's just a stupid rat.
No, I got him.
There she goes. She got it. Good mink. That's a good lost man.
Oh yeah.
That's a good mink. Look
Oh,
at that.
yeah.
That's you keep getting the big ones.
Rats! Big ones.
You see it on there? Shoot.
Oh, I'll put you there pushed to here for me. Good mink. She got.
I think I'm gonna puke.
Oh yeah, she got it. Gypsy. She's got it. Good mink, yeah. That's a good mink, yeah.
Just heard the brains just.
Good job, Liz. Oh, good girl. Good dog. Good job, Gypsy. Good.
Right there.
Good job, boss.
Right in his mouth.
Good job.
Oh
Got one
yeah.
already.
That's for the.
Oh, that is cool. Good angle, man. Watch.
Yeah, you got it.
Or did she get a rat? She don't mess around.
Farmer Daisy says,
You are out.
Nice job, lady. Oh, that's good dogs. That's good dogs. Oh, good job, Gypsy dog. That's a good dog. Yeah, that's a good dog. Good job, Leia. Good job, Benji. Good dog.
So it's kind of a tug of war at work.
Right in that crack. See him right in the crack?
Larry.
Good dog, Gypsy. Good girl.
Right here, right here.
Grab it, grab it. Grab it good. Good job. Get your hand up. He's got it. Let him have it.
Look at that. And caught.
Yes!
We're gonna fill another bucket.
Yes! Coming out. Oh, he's coming out.
Shoo. Oh. Here.
Oh, Larry.
Yes!
Oh, cameraman.
Yeah, he's right there. He's right there.
Good job, Gypsy dog. Good job, boss man.
Good.
Good job, boss man. Well, get by the back. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Don't.
Fucking rat bit the boss man. I didn't realize it. Got him right on the lip, huh?
Two. No, Leia, stay out of it. Okay, someone grab the dead rat. Grab the dead rat right there.
Rats!
No. Hey, no. You and me go fishing in the dark. Lying on a bag just counting the stars.
Number 100?
Oh, 100.
You and me go fishing in the dark.
These gloves, you guys, and the blood of the blood and rat juice just seeped right through. So definitely need to wash my hands tonight. But if I don't do it tonight, I promise I'll wash them first thing in the morning.
I got blood on my hand.
If you ever wondered what it looks like to walk with a bucket of 108 rats, this is what you look like.
Oh. That was a nice
Should have taken my glove off. That's good. Oh, good job.
I got my 4th and 5th rat.
Good job.
Come.
Oh, daddy go boy! Oh, daddy go boy!
Come here. That's a good girl.
We don't know when. Guys are ingenious. Oh, that good girl.
Right there, you're digging it, Bendy. Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Stu-do-do-do-do-do-do-do, rat in the cage. I don't know how that song goes. Come on, sir. Gonna name you Susie and George. We got Susie and George. They're gonna come to their new home over here in the Rat Hotel. This is a great line. Now there's a bunch coming. Hey, I got it. I got it.
Coming out.
I got you, baby.
Good job,
He's
Daddy.
gonna drown in there.
What a good boy. What a good dad. What do you think? Let her go?
If she's focused
Focus on something. Oh, good, Leroy. Leroy got another.
Pull him out.
puppies, so just let the dog.
Right there.
Good girl, Bendy. Bucket, Bendy, bucket, Bendy. Bucket.
Get him.
Yes.
Go get him. Go get him.
Get on.
Yeah, good girl. It's so slippery.
Yeah, I know. That's why I asked. I get slippery.
Okay.
Here, let me help.
Pulling the tail off, man.
See,
There
like that.
you
You
go.
just gotta change your angle. Hey, where? Playing in the dirt. I'm making a poop castle.
I could play.
We don't have sand, so we use rat poop.
I've never seen that before.
I think I'd rather open up drywall than work on a farm. This is hard work, you guys. Hard work. As you can see, this is the pile that we moved from inside of this old shed here, out here to get to these rats. Oh yeah, look it, right here. Little pup.
I don't know where she went.
A big one. Big old mama.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we need a cage.
Isn't that one?
Right here, right here. That's a good girl. Oh, that's a big old pregnant one too. That's a good dog.
Oh, got one. Oh, two. Oh, I got it. Oh, he's biting its face.
Where'd yours go? It got thrown around here somewhere. Over, just a little one.
Oh, yep, there we go.
Girl.
Oh, right here. Good boy.
Number 2.
Woo! Yes.
Oh,
Here it is. Right here. Yes, good job, Leroy. Good job, Leroy. Good job. Okay, let go, let go. Let go, Leroy. Let go, let go. Good boy. Coming over.
Oh, good girl, Bendy.
Right here. Chick.
Good job, boss.
Get him.
Good job.
Good job, boss. Get on
Good
it.
job.
Get on it.
Woo!
Oh, good girl. That's a good dog.
Oh, right here. Oh, there's a ton of them. They're all over. Woo!
Good dogs. Get him, Bendy. Good dogs.
Woo!
Spread my wings and fly away.
Leroy, out. Good.
Yes.
I think there's some more under this tire right here.
Oh my God!
Oh!
Score! Play that tape back.
No way! Oh! Woo! Whoa! Bring the Richard!
Just slaughter him. I got a whole bunch pinned in here still too.
Oh my gosh! Oh gosh, look at that.
Thank you. That's a lot. Good job, Leroy.
It's got a hubcap on the other side. There you go. Oh!
Good job, Bendy.
Oh, look.
Oh, got it.
Talk on your camera.
Good job. Good job.
Oh, they keep coming out. Oh! Guys, been out here in the middle of nowhere in the Midwest. We've caught over 370 rats, so this deserves the Midwest Rat Dance. 395 rats. We'll see you on the next one.